I thought the performance was good. I didn't think it was a bad performance. I think, we've dominated the game, limited them to a couple of half chances. Woodsy hasn't had the save to make, so we've dominated it. And to give them credit, they were dogged. They stuck in the game and made it difficult. But we believed in the process. We kept doing the right things, and we said at half time, keep doing it, keep doing the right things, and you'll get your rewards. And we did. And to be fair, Alex, first half I thought he was too deep. I thought he could have been 5 to 10 yards higher. I told him that at half time. And to be fair, the first goal has come from him being 10 yards higher. Great little bit of interplay between him and Matty, and then a great finish, and then a header from a centre half right back. Great towering header at the back stick. But yeah, chances wise, I think it could have been a lot more comfortable. But we're creating them. We're creating them. Last week we created them and they all went in. This week if we didn't, we don't get frustrated and we just keep going. And I think we were well worth the 3 points.
Definitely. On to Conway next Friday.
Yeah, it's going to be difficult. It's always difficult going there. But again, we'll prepare right. We'll enjoy tonight. We'll enjoy today. We'll be ready to go again Wednesday and put the work in and go there full of confidence and look to get a positive result again.
Yeah. Congratulations on the 3 points and see you next week.
Cheers.
Thank you.